Kain na tayo guys, oh. Kain na. Meron tayong vermicelli at saka chicken. Sarap. Kain na kayo. Tapos meron pa tayong soup. Chicken. Delicioso.
Ano?
Sarap. Tapos meron tayong soup guys, oh. Sarap ng soup. Ano to?
Shrimp.
Shrimp?
Paano?
Sarap mo. Yummy na naman tayo guys. Sarap. Yung tayong chicken, no? Ng chicken. Vermicelli. Tapos meron tayong sausawan dito. Sarap. Panalo guys, panalo. Let's dig in. Sarap nito guys, oh. Hindi pa kayo takam na. Vermicelli. Tapos meron pa tayong libing sabaw, oh. Sarap. Yum.
Hindi mo na kutsara. Alwa kutsara. Ganyan.
Sarap guys, oh. Mga antana guys, mga antana. Chicken. Good. Itong kinakain kong ito, I think $15. Ayos naman. Manyaman. Cucumber. Okay. Guys, so tutukan natin. Shake natin. Yeah. Manyaman guys, oh. Swim. soy sauce. Mm. Juicy. Fresh na fresh tayo, guys.
Body. No way back.
They get sweet and sour sauce. Mm. Ito na yung ating dinner for today. Vermicelli. Tapos ano natin yung chicken natin. Affordable price, and this is for pho. Pho in Fairfield. Yummy, yummy. Sarap na tayong kumain, guys, ha? More. Tapos soup tayo. Ganda ng soup. Sarap. Yum yum. It's all delicious. There you go. Ang sarap, guys. Ang sarap. Affordable price to, guys. For only $15. Good price.
Ginugel day. Ano yung $15?
Ha?
Ginugel day pa na $15.
How much? No, I think $15 or 13. Order number 52. Chicken vermicelli. Amen. Try this one, no? It's good, guys. Hindi ako magsasawa kung ganito palagi. Time check is mga 8:40 na siguro. Or mga 8:30. Yan. Huh? Anong oras?
8:20.
8:30.
Wala naman eh. Wala rin nagpagsitarang sa ito.
Pa?
Ito dahil yung Amerika punta. Ayun ko ba? Wala ba ito pa?
Chicken.
They were not vegetarian. Oh. And that they were one.
Almost done na tayo guys. Oh. Dami nito. Mm. Oh. Mm. Healthy siya kasi meron siyang gulay. So meron siyang noodles. Mm. Combination siya ng gulay at noodles. Tapos meron pa tayong lemon soup, oh. Mm. It's good. Mm. Hindi pa ba kayo gutom? Mm. So good. Again. Kunin natin yung chicken. Mm. Sarap guys, oh. Oh. Pati tako. It's good rin yung shrimp lumpia. Mm. Better taste. Mm. Water. Ang sarap. So, tingnan nyo ito. More chicken. Mm. Ang laki ng portion nito guys. There's a good big portion.
Nakalag ka.
Wait.
Nakabali.
Mm. Sarap. Mm. Dalawa na lang kami dito guys, dalawang ano lang tao. Wala siguro kakain dito. Tapos na sila. Mm. Chicken vermicelli. The best. Ang mga iba niyan, they will ask for takeout. But it's kind of late. I think this restaurant will close in a few minutes, like 8:40 or 9. Good.
Ano ako ba kumain?
There you go, guys. I think that's it for me. Do you want to try the chicken? Here. It's good chicken.
Papalan mo na kaya ko.
Here.
Sabi.
No, I don't like this beef. Beef. No, beef. One more time. Sauce. Shrimp. Little bit sauce. Dip. Bag. Bite. Top. One more. Look at that. Delicious. Also, okay, guys. Ito na ang ating vlog.
Inyat isda, one.
Thank you for watching.
Yan. Ano ka din?
And God bless you all. As always. Bye-bye.
Pwede man itong pasok.